Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Raditya Tribagaskara and my partner Arkatilla Ramadana Wicaksono. We are from SMP Islam Azhar 26 Yogyakarta. On this occasion, we will present the results of our research entitled Avoleum soap.
The utilizing of cooking oil waste and avocado peel or Persea americana as an antimicrobial soap.
The background of our research is cooking oil waste. Cooking oil waste is oil that has been used 2 or 3 times and has the potential to damage the environment. However, used cooking oil can be purified or recycled into soap or biodiesel.
Avocado peel is a very important ingredient in our product because avocado peel has a high level flavonoid that has the potential to be an antioxidant and antimicrobial.
Therefore, we want to make an innovation in the form of Avoleum soap to utilize and reduce used cooking oil and avocado peel waste into antimicrobial soap.
The methodology that we used on our research starts with tools and material preparation. Also dry the avocado peel waste, and then we extract the dry avocado peel using the maceration method. After that, we begin with the making of cooking oil waste soap. We are grouping the cooking oil waste soap with 3 combinations, extraction and 1 without the extraction. The next step, we do the organoleptic test, and the last step, this diffusion test against the S. aureus.
The following is the dose distribution for the research group. Can be distinguished from the percentage of avocado peel extract, with group 1, 1 gram, group 2, 2 grams, and group 3, 3 grams.
After carrying out the series of methods, the following results are obtained. On the organoleptic test, it was found that the control dose was the best organoleptic test result for becoming a good soap criteria, while for the group with avocado extract, mixture has a bad organoleptic test result. This is probably caused by the smell of avocado peel extract that does not match so well with the smell of oil.
The following are the results of antimicrobial test of S.aureus with the disc diffusion test method. In the control group, it was found that at 100% dilution, it had an antimicrobial role. Then in groups 1 and 2, it was found that at dilution of 80%, it had an antimicrobial effect. And in group 3, it was found that at 60% dilution, it was sensitive to kill microbes. These are some documentation of our research process.
The conclusion of our research is that Avoleum soap has antimicrobial role against S. aureus but doesn't have a good organoleptic test result.
Our recommendation for the next research is that we need further research to identify the cause of bad organoleptic result and also on the effectiveness of Avoleum soap in protecting the skin.
That's all from our research presentation. Let's go again together.
Save energy and recycle material for our need. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.